Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is your Reena ma'am. Today we are going to do exercise 3.4 class 10th mathematics, and if you have not subscribe it right now and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of the upcoming videos. Okay, so let us start our exercise 3.4. Question number 1. So we have already done few parts of it. You can go to I button and check that video. In my previous video I have uploaded question number 1 first part, and second and third part are of the same kind. So let us do our fourth part of it. So if you can see in fourth part you have 2 and 3 in the denominator. तो सबसे पहले हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, पूरे इक्वेशन को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so we will multiply. Yes, we will multiply the whole equation by equation 1 by 6. Once we multiply by 6, we get 6 into x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to 6 into minus 1. And for first equation, yes, we get 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Similarly, we will multiply the second equation to 3. As we can see, we have 3 here in the denominator, so we will multiply the whole equation by 3 to remove this denominator. Once you multiply x minus y by 3 to 3, you get 3 into 3 here, so it will be 3x minus y equal to 9, and this is our second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations by using elimination method. What is the meaning of elimination method? In elimination method we have to remove one variable. एक वेरिएबल को हम रिमूव कर देंगे और फिर जो दूसरा वेरिएबल है उसके लिए हम इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे. So let us see how to do that. So now as you can see here कि हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो x कोऑर्डिनेट जो x वेरिएबल है उसके कोफिशिएंट सेम है फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड in both the equation. So to eliminate x coordinate from here we will subtract second equation from first. तो यहाँ पे हमने subtract किया and first that coefficient of x are same here, so 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled out and we get 4y and plus y will be 5y. So you get 5y from here, and minus 6 and minus 9 will be minus 15. So value of y will be minus 15 upon 5. So you get 5 and the 5 3s are, so value of y will be minus 3. Now put this value in equation 1 or equation 2, किसी में भी आप ये value put करो, you will get the value of x. So if we put y equal to minus 3 in second equation, yes, we get 3x minus of minus 3 is equal to 9. So it will be 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x will be 9 minus 3 and 3x will be 6 here, and value of x will be 6 upon 3. So it will be 2. So now we have solved this equation. Value of y is minus 3 here and value of x is 2 here, right? So we have used elimination method. Elimination method लगाने के लिए आपको x वेरिएबल की या y वेरिएबल किसी भी एक को आप चूज कर लीजिए और उसके कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल कर लीजिए. यहाँ तो हमने देखा कि ऑलरेडी कोफिशिएंट इक्वल थे, बट समहाउ in few cases you will not get the coefficients equal and you have to make them equal by multiplying them any other number. So let us see what is given in the next question, that is question number 2. So now question number 2, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. So let us start with the very first part of it. Yes, this is the question of a fraction. So in case of fraction, what we need to take? in case of fraction we have to take that let numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. So what is given here, they are saying, I am writing here only, if I am taking numerator as x and denominator as y, then fraction will become x upon y. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So this is the first equation, right? This is the first equation. Second, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator, means numerator will remain same and denominator will be added to 1, right? So this is the second equation. So what you need to do, you have to simplify these equation and then find the solution of both by using elimination method. Okay, so let us do this question properly here. So here once we take numerator as x and denominator as y, and according to question, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, we get 1. So let us simplify this equation by cross multiplying, and we get x plus 1 equal to y minus 1 from here. This implies x minus y is equal to minus 1 and minus 1, and we will get x minus y is equal to minus 2, and this is our first equation. Now let us take the second situation. And what is the second situation here? Second situation में आपको given है, yes, numerator will remain same, and you have to add 1 to the denominator, and then the fraction become 1 by 2. Then again to simplify this fraction we have to cross multiply. Yes, we will get 2 into x, that is 2x is equal to y plus 1. Okay, so your equation will become 2x minus y is equal to 1, and this is our second equation, right? Now what we need to do, we have to solve these two equations by using elimination method. So in these two equation as we can check कि यहाँ पे जो y है उसके कोफिशिएंट और साइन दोनों ही ऑलरेडी इक्वल है. If we subtract first second equation from first, yes, we can cancel out this sign. So let us subtract these equations. This will cancel out, and we get minus 2 and plus 1. It will be minus x is equal to minus 3. Minus will be cancelled out from both the sides, and the value of x will be 3 here. ठीक है, x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 3 आ गई. Then put x equal to 3 in equation 1. So इस first equation में अगर हम put करें वैल्यू x की 3, then we will get 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So minus y will become minus 2 and minus 3, that will be equal to minus y is equal to minus 5. This minus sign will cancel out. So value of y will be 5 from here. Okay. Now you can say that कि यहाँ पे हमने न्यूमरेटर को माना था x. So we can say hence the numerator is equal to value of x is 3, so numerator is equal to 3, and denominator is equal to 5. Now the required fraction will become numerator upon denominator, and that is 3 upon 5. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका फ्रैक्शन आ गया 3 upon 5. So this is second question first part, and let us do the second question second part. देखते हैं second question second part में क्या. So here the question, 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Okay, so यहाँ पे नूरी और सोनू दोनों की एज हमें नहीं पता, तो what we will do, we will let the age of नूरी is x. हम मान लेते हैं नूरी की x है एज और सोनू की है y. So what they are saying, 5 years ago मतलब 5 साल पहले नूरी की एज थी x minus 5 और सोनू की एज थी y minus 5. They are saying 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So your equation will become x minus 5 equal to 3 into y minus 5. Then 10 years later will be नूरी will be twice as old as सोनू. 10 years later 10 साल के बाद नूरी की एज ये होगी और सोनू की एज क्या होगी, इसमें 10 ऐड कर दो, राइट. बट एज ऑफ नूरी will be twice as old as सोनू, so we have to multiply right side by 2. Okay, so let us do this question and solve these equations, simplify them and solve it by using elimination method. So we have taken age of Noori equal to x and age of Sonu equal to y, and 5 years ago age of Noori was x minus 5 and age of Sonu was y minus 5. बट इन दोनों के बीच में रिलेशन दिया है, एज ऑफ नूरी वॉज थ्राइस एज द एज ऑफ सोनू. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. एक्स माइनस 5 विल बी इक्वल टू 3y माइनस 15. ठीक है, पहले हमने 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, वी गेट 3y. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई 3 by 5 वी गेट 3 5 are 15, राइट. सो दिस इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज x माइनस 3y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 15 प्लस 5 and x minus 3y will become minus 10. So this is our first equation. Now they are saying 10 years later. So 10 years later, what will be the age of Noori? It will be x plus 10 and age of Sonu will be y plus 10. But age of Noori will be twice to the age of Sonu. That's why I multiply the second one by 2. Now let us solve these equations as well. So when we multiply this y plus 10 by 2 we get 2y plus 20 और equation क्या बन जाएगी, x minus 2y is equal to 20 और ये 10 इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो minus 10. So yes, our second equation will become x minus 2y is equal to 10 and this is our second equation. Now we have to solve both the equation by elimination method. So यहाँ पे हम चेक कर सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में भी x है, सेकेंड में भी x है, यानी x के कोफिशिएंट्स इक्वल हैं. देन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, हमें डायरेक्ट इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो यस, सब्ट्रैक्ट सेकेंड इक्वेशन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. Right, so first equation was x minus 3y equal to minus 10. Second equation is x minus 2y is equal to 10. So subtract करने के लिए what we will do, we will change the sign first. Okay, once we change the sign we can cancel out x from here. यहाँ पे x और माइनस x कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड वी गेट माइनस 3y प्लस 2y दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस y. सो माइनस y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 20 here. That minus sign will be cancelled out from both and we can say that y is equal to 20. Now put value of y in the first equation. When we put value of y in the first equation we get, put y equal to 20 in equation 1. So equation 1 is x minus 3y. So y की जगह हमने रखा 20 is equal to minus 10. I'm not able to write 10 here, minus 10, right. So we can say that x minus 23 is a 60 equal to minus 10. So x will be equal to 60 minus 10 and that is 50. So yes, we can say that hence the age of Noori, finally hence age of Noori equal to 50 years and age of Sonu 20 years. right? So we have done second question, second part, and in the next video you will get the rest part of this question number 2. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe my channel and turn the notification bell so that you will get all the upcoming videos, as well as in this channel you will get all the solution of NCERT book. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video.